Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead with explaining of how to calculate the nth Fibonacci number or no, nth number of the Fibonacci series using matrix multiplication. So for doing that, we will again recollect back to the formula that we had already been discussing upon, which is f of n, that is the nth term of the Fibonacci series, is nothing but it depends on the previous two terms, that is f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. So before going ahead with the matrix multiplication, these are the following terms which are the prerequisites to form the matrix that is going to help us find the further terms. So what are those terms? So we have f of 0, which is equal to 0, and then we have f of 1, which is equal to 1, and then we have f of 2, which is also equal to 1. With these set of terms, we are going to form the matrix that is going to help us find the nth term of the Fibonacci series, or n terms of the Fibonacci series. So the matrix that we are going to form is 1 1 1 0. So you must have witnessed this matrix previously, but how does that even work? So this is the f of 2 term, this is f of 1 term, this is f of 1 term, and this is f of 0 term. So usually the matrix, how is it formed? So the generalization of this matrix is f of n, f of n minus 1, here it would be f of n minus 1, and this term is f of n minus 2. So this is the generalized matrix, or you can say generalized Fibonacci. Then how does we actually find the further terms of the Fibonacci series? So this is how it actually happens. So let's say, so the prerequisites is we have these terms, and let's say if we want to find f of 3. So according to the formula for f of 3, we require the addition of f of 2 and plus f of 1. How does that happen? So we have 1 1 1 0 multiplied by the same matrix, that is 1 1 1 0. So what does that fetch us? So that gives us this, like the first row being multiplied by the first column of the next matrix, that is 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, that's 2, and then this row being multiplied by the first row being multiplied by the second column, and that gives us 1 here, and then the second row multiplied by the first column, that gives us 1, and the second row multiplied by the second column of the second matrix, that gives us 1 here. So have a look at it. So what we had previously was f of 2 and f of 1 here, and those two terms, they get added by the multiplication of the matrix, and hence we have f of 2 being multiplied by f of 1, that gives us f of 3 here, and eventually we have f of 2 here. Now we have f of 2 here, and then we have f of 1. So let's say if we want to find the f of 4th term, that's f of 4, right? So we again multiply this matrix with 1 1 1 0. So what does that give us? So it fetches us this matrix, that is 3 2 2 1. So how would I guess that? It's just because I just observed the pattern. So it's f of 4 here, it's f of 3 here, f of 3, and then f of 2. Similarly, these two terms get added to give us the next term. So what's the nth term? The nth term is the 0 position, or that's an like understanding of Java because the indexing starts from 0, or it could be 1 1 usually when, if you don't consider in the programming sense. So that gives us the nth term of the Fibonacci series. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching. In the further video, I would be explaining of how I'm going to go ahead with the Java code for this multiplication. Thanks for watching once again. I hope you have a good day. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe so to have more such interesting content. Thank you.